I think this is one of Yale's faces on New Haven. And the great thing about Yale, wonderful though the campus is, it really is a city university. That's very important about it. And this is its face on Chapel Street, which is our most important commercial thoroughfare down the center of New Haven. And it's really great because it starts way down with Welsh Hall there. But from our point of view, it picks up here with the first art school in a university in the United States, Street Hall, right after the Civil War. And then across here, then it goes on to 1928 with Egerton Swartwout and the main art gallery, which starts there, goes down like that with its wonderful arches. Then it goes to Louis Kahn. This art gallery by Swartwout was originally intended to go all the way to the corner, but Louis intervened with President Griswold wanted to put only modern buildings. He didn't want to want the continuation. So Louis' interjection is right there, and his string courses pick up the horizontal plane. And then finally, beyond New Haven garbage truck, you have Rudolph's tower in the 1960s, right on the axis of the sidewalk, completing that whole movement all the way up the street, and giving this wonderful conversation between the generations. You know,
Rivers, wait one sec till this car goes by.
You want the noises of the city, you know. Yeah, we got the noises of the city. Turn it up. That's it. He's banging on the wheel.
Singing
So the other great thing that Rudolph does, and God knows that building has taken enough criticism over the years, the other thing he does is, see, Louis' building is just a cut-off box on York Street. Rudolph gestures with that big pier, and the beam up above creates a big hollow that receives it down the end of the street. You see that? So it really completes the whole street, the whole experience. And it makes a wonderful conversation between the generations, which is what architecture really is over time. From the late 1860s to the 1960s, 100 years of talk between people. The art gallery is really Kahn's first mature building, 1952 over there, 1951, 52. And then right across the street over here is his last building, which he died before it was complete, which is the British Art Center. You see, it sets up a perspective with the other two buildings, which again is completed by Rudolph's building at the end of Chapel Street. Really pretty nice the way he's shaping the street.